How was your vacation? It was very fun. Where did you go? I went to the beach. Who did you go with? I went with my father and mother. Do you have a house at the beach? No, we stayed at a hotel. Have you stayed there before? Yes, we've been going there for years. Must be very nice. Yes, it's amazing and not too expensive. Do you play in the water? Yes, I went swimming. What do your mother and father like to do? They like to eat in restaurants. How many rooms are there in your house?
There are 6 rooms in my house.
Which floor is your bedroom on?
My bedroom is on the 2nd floor.
Is it big or small?
It's barely enough to fit the furniture.
What color is your bedroom painted?
It's painted blue, my favorite color.
Do you love your room?
Yes, because it is my private space in my home.
What furniture does your bedroom contain?
It contains a bed, a desk.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Anna.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is John.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have any sisters?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is David.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Maria.
How old is your mother?
My mother is 45 years old.
How old is your father?
My father is 50 years old.
How old is your brother?
My brother is 20 years old.
How old is your sister?
My sister is 25 years old.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ruchika.
Is she your classmate?
No, she is my roommate.
Are you both in the same college?
Yes, we are in the same college.
Where is she from?
She is from India.
How many people are your roommates?
We are 4 members.
What are their names?
Their names are Emily and Sophie.
Are they also Indian?
No, Emily is from the USA and Sophie is from London.
Where are you going right now?
Right now, I am going to pick up Emily.
Can I come with you?
Of course, you can.
Where did you go?
I went to the park.
What did you eat?
I ate pizza.
Whom did you meet?
I met my friend.
When did you leave?
I left at 5 p.m.
What time is dinner?
Dinner is at 7 p.m.
What time does the store close?
The store closes at 9 p.m.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
What time did the movie start?
The movie started at 8:30 p.m.
What time is the appointment?
The appointment is at 2 p.m.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 5th.
When does the movie start?
The movie starts at 7 p.m.
When did you wake up this morning?
I woke up at 6:30 a.m. this morning.
When is the next holiday?
The next holiday is Thanksgiving, which is next month.
When will you finish your homework?
I will finish my homework by 8 p.m.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Mary.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What time is it?
It's 3:30 p.m.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a nurse.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
How was your day?
It was good, thanks.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
What's for dinner?
We're having pasta.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
How's your family?
They're all well, thanks.
How's work going? It's been busy, but good.
What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love being creative.
How long have you been doing it?
About 3 years.
What's your favorite part of the job?
Designing logos and branding.
Any big projects recently?
Yes, a rebranding for a major client.
That sounds exciting.
It was. Very challenging, but rewarding.
Do you work remotely or in an office?
Mostly remotely.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to work out daily.
What kind of exercises do you do?
Mostly running and weightlifting.
How long do you work out each day?
About an hour.
Do you follow a specific diet?
Yes, I try to eat clean.
What does clean mean to you?
Whole foods and lean proteins. Excuse me, I have a problem.
What problem do you have?
I can't speak English fluently.
Have you been practicing?
Yes, but I still can't speak confidently.
How long have you been practicing?
I have been practicing for a month now.
Building confidence takes time.
How long does it take?
It can take several months.
How long do you practice every day?
I practice for an hour every day.
Do you have someone to practice English with?
Not really. I practice alone.
How's your family?
They're doing well, thanks.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
Are you close with them?
Yes, very close.
Do you see them often?
We try to get together every weekend.
What do you usually do when you meet?
We like to have family dinners.
Do you cook or order in?
A bit of both, depends on the mood.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 1 brother.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
Does your mother work?
Yes, my mother works as a teacher.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I live with my parents.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
What do you drink with dinner?
I drink water with dinner.
Where do you usually eat lunch?
I usually eat lunch at home.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Where do you shop for clothes?
I shop at the mall.
Hi, John. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. What are you doing here?
I'm getting a coffee. I love the coffee here. What about you?
Me too. I'm waiting for my friend. We are going to study together.
That sounds good. What are you studying?
We have an English test tomorrow. We need to practice.
Oh, good luck with your test. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do. It's fun and useful. Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a little bit of Spanish. It's interesting to learn new languages.
That's cool. Maybe you can help me with Spanish someday.
Sure, I'd love to. Here's my coffee. I need to go now. See you later, Emma.
See you, John. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be an astronaut.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing football.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the beach.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's on Main Street, next to the bank.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Hi.
Hello.
When did you come here?
I just came here.
Why didn't David come?
He is busy with his work.
May I ask you something?
Yes, what is your question?
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
How was your day?
Really good.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 10th. Can you tell me how to get there?
Yes, of course. Exit the hotel and turn left.
Then what?
Go straight on Sutter Street and turn left on Stockton.